Hi guys, today we're going through simultaneous equations. We'll be going through a few examples. Our first example is this. 5x add 2y equals 11, 3x add 4y equals 8. When you first come across simultaneous equations, the best thing to do is just quickly number the equation. So this is going to be our first equation, this is going to be our second equation. And with simultaneous equations, what we have to do first is we've got our two variables there, x and y, got another set of variable x and y. What we have to do is make one of these the same. So either our x values, our x variable are both the same, or our y variables are both the same. And to do that, in our case, we're going to make y the same. So to make y the same, our first equation, we're going to times that by 2. And our first equation, which is going to times that by 1. And our new set of equations is going to be 10x add 4y equals 22. And that'll be 3x add 4y equals 8. We're going to number our new equations. So that's going to be our third equation. It's going to be our fourth equation. From this, what we're going to do now is just look at our equation, and we can see that this one, the third equation, has a larger set of numbers. Like, for example, 10 is larger than 3 and 22 is larger than 8. So what we're going to do next is our third equation. We're going to do our third equation, take away our fourth equation. So that'll give us 10x take away 3x, which is 7x. 4y take away 4y, which is just 0. And 22 take away 8, which is 14. To find x, we just take 7 to the other side. So that'll be x equals 14 divided by 7. And we could simplify that down to x equals 2. That's our value for x. And to find y, we just put the value of x into one of these equations. So we're going to put x into the first equation, so that'll be 5 times 2, add 2y equals 11. That's going to be 10 add 2y equals 11. We could take 10 to the other side, which is 2y equals 1, and just take 2 to the other side, so that'll be y equals 1 divided by 2, which is a half. And to double check, we just put both these values into the second equation, so that'll be 3 times 2 add 4 times a half equals to 8, so that's 6. 3 times 2 is 6, add 4 times a half is 2, which equals 8. So our values for x is 2, and a value for y is a half.